Hello, my name is Samir Sanchez Paneso. I'm currently studying software programming. I'd like to introduce you to my friend. First name and last name Mauricio Ruiz, age 20 years old, date of birth July 15, 2005, place of birth Montería, Colombia, occupation software programming. Hobbies and daily routines. He loved to playing the guitar, watching movies, and going for a walk with your dog. Every morning, we wake up at 6 o'clock. He eat breakfast and then he go to work. In the evening, he usually study English or play video games. Personality and interest. He is friendly and responsible person. He likes learning new things, especially about technology and programming. He enjoys helping your friends with their computer problems. Life history. Uh, when he were a child, he lived in a small town called San Pelayo. He went to school there and he played soccer every afternoon. At the age of 18, he moved to Montería to study software development. He studied at SENA and graduated 2 years ago. Future goals. In the future, he wants to create your own software company. He also wants to travel to the United States and improve your English. Your dream is to work for a big international company like the Microsoft or Google. Goodbye. Thank you for watching your presentation. See you soon.